Well, everyone, welcome to the Week 12 video lecture. We're going to be talking about what we're doing in Week 12. Just to point out, there are extra credit links for your Writing Center slips. So if you go to the Writing Center and you get the slip, take a picture of it and just post it. Alrighty, and I will close these after the week is over. So on Monday, November 10th, I'm going to close Week 11. All right, what are we doing in Week 12? Well, we're looking at Project 3. You're going to be reading the assignment instructions for Project 3. You're going to be reading the Gemini revised instructions of Project 3. And then you're going to post any questions you have. You're going to provide me with a review and feedback of what Gemini did. And then you're going to, for your student response, you're going to answer any questions that you can, somebody that asks, or you're going to discuss with someone their views on using Gemini's instructions. That's all. Simple week. I suggest you start working on Project 3 now so it doesn't creep up on you, because you're doing the same type of memo as you did for Project 2, where you're summarizing the information that you get from Gemini. With that, you're doing the Driscoll reflection, but you're also creating the type of document that you pull out from the list to create. So that's it. Again, any questions, post them here in the assignment, and I'll answer them in the discussion forum. Email them to me or put them in the extra credit. That's all. Like I said, a very short week. We're coming to the end. There's only 4 class weeks left. 2 of those class weeks, one is Thanksgiving, one is the end of the semester, and then you have about a week after the end of the semester to get Project 3, our final in. Well, that's it for now. Hope everyone is looking forward to a happy Thanksgiving and a successful end of the semester. Bye.